Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. Let's not forget our friends and loved ones at YouTube. How are you guys doing today on this beautiful night, Wednesday? Um, just coming by to show you guys the system in action. But before we get to that, I'm gonna let you guys hear a little bit of our boy Moses Martinez and his music. You got to savor every day. And you'll see how the system works. And I'll show you guys how the system works. Our trading system that people have been asking us. You got to savor every day. You got to suck on the flavor of every little thing you say. Oh, you got to savor every day. Well, I love a woman like you don't know. She orders up all kinds of loving and she bags it up to go. To drive most men crazy, drive the other men away. So I got to savor every day. Oh, I got to savor every day. Well, I got to savor every day. But when he falling for an angel, slip along the way. Oh, you got to savor every day. Oh, yeah. I have this real good friend of mine. He told me I may not be here for such a long time. Okay, that was Mr. Moses Martinez, real talented musician down here. He's a harmonica. Plays guitar, he writes his own songs, very creative. And a great way to come into the software. I've been getting asked a lot of questions. Let's see, hold on. I've been getting asked a lot of questions about the software. And I'm going to see if you guys could see it. Okay. So, what you guys are seeing right now, we are in the monthly. It's an uptrend. Okay. And then I'm gonna work my way back to it. But this is our one push system. Okay. Where we are able to click a couple buttons, we're able to jump into trades and get out of trades. As you guys could tell, this is a live account. You can see up here in the corner it says real live. And then we're up. We have one trade that's down. That's GVP against NZD. Right now on this one we're up 3.5 pips. Here, this line right here represents our weekly, daily resistance. So we're already going on a 1 to 7. So it's a pretty sniper entry. Pretty bold. But like I said, daily resistance and supports always get hit at a point. You know what I mean? That's like your trading channel. So what I'm gonna do, because I want to make sure it stays in there, I want to maximize my buy. Boom. Okay. So now we took green. So this is about to take off. Okay, we're about to take off right now. Now the exact same trade is coming up 1 to 13 risk reward. I'm risking 1, meaning I'm risking 17 pips, $8.65 to win 240 pips to make 120. Um, so this is the system that people have been asking me about. Okay, we'll jump into some trades right now of how we're doing it. But let me show you guys. So as you guys could tell, we are at the bottom. Okay, we're at low, so it has to go up. It has to go up. So technically, if I really wanted to go for a long trade, hypothetically saying, if I want to stay in the trade longer, I could go up to this retest here, break here, and go up to this point right there, that pivot. Okay, and I might just put it there for the hell of it, just to see how many pips difference. So you could tell that's pretty much almost doubled. So now it's a 1 to 36 times. So that's not bad, if it hits it. You know what I mean? But like I said, it's a long trade. That's going off the monthly. So we're gonna go down to the weekly. We're gonna go down to the weekly. Okay. We're going down to the weekly. Let's see. We're going down to the weekly. Let's see. So we're looking for a pull. The reason why we're going this, I don't know if you guys could see my scanner, but GBP on the, let's see. You guys see it? Oh, you guys can't see it. Shit. Okay, well, we have a scanner. It's telling us on the 1 minute we are uptrend, on the 5 minute we're consolidating, on the 15 all the way to the 1 day we are downtrend with selling volume. Weekly and monthly are uptrend. So we're pretty much going with the long trend, going up. You know what I mean, on this trend. Okay, so here we go. Okay. Okay, look at that. I'm only risking $8 to make $364. Like I said, that's a big difference right there. Okay, so let's get into a closer. Let's get into my hourly. Okay. So here I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so right here, this candle, this huge candle right here, represents the daily candle. Okay, so on my lower time frames, we're filling into the daily candle. So like that, you are able to know where you are in that cycle. So as you guys could tell, on this daily candle, we are in the bottom. Okay, it's red, meaning that it started up here at $1.37, and it's pushing down. Now the bulls are trying to push it back up. So this information, while we're in the 1 hour time frame, it's helping us see in the future of where we're at in the daily candle. Okay, so that's how I use that. Okay, so it told us the signal that we were already in. Okay, boom. So here we have this signal right here. So right here we're gonna see a big jump, a breakout, little small little pump up. Okay, we already see this right here. We're already seeing all these signals. When all these signals are green, this one's right here, it's a confluence to go long. Okay, so that's the trading system. So you have your currency meters right here, the major pairs. Then you have your scanner where you're able to see your trades that you're on, and you're able to jump in and out quick. And then you are able to have your trading pairs that you like to do. So it's your symbol changer. Let me give you an example. Okay, people are liking, let's go with gold. Okay. Okay. Did it. Sometimes I notice that when I'm doing live videos, it takes a little longer. Okay. So there you go. Okay. So here it tells us see strong buy. So here's a good on the 5 candle. It's telling you where you're at. So you're on top. So here you want to go long. Okay. Here you would go long. So you have less resistance. As soon as this trend dots roll over to white or green, I would jump in, because there's going to be a little movement back and forth, back and forth. So let's take a look at that one real quick, so I can show you how the system works. So you guys could see the one push trading system in action. Okay, we're gonna do a small little trade, little scalp. Okay, see if anybody's out here. No, still nobody out here. But okay, so let's kind of go over. Okay, so this looks good. So we're gonna go long. Let's confirm with the 1 hour. Okay. Momentum is coming. Let's see where we're at. Okay, let me look at my. So gold on the monthly is long. On the weekly is downtrend. On the daily is consolidating. On the 4 hour is downtrend. Then it's uptrend from 1 minute to 1 hour. So overall trend is down from the 4 hours to the weekly, and then up. So might be a little pullback. Okay. So with that being said, let's see. So let's go here. Okay, so we'll go here. So we already got here to go long. Okay, so we found that. Okay, so let's get ready. Here you can change it to long, short or long. I already have my pips that I like to move. See? Okay. See? For buy. Boom. Okay, so let's go into here. Okay, so 4 hour downtrend. Okay, so here looking like we're about to break up. So here we're about to break out right here. That's one go long. So let's wait. See, market currently approach weak seller zone on the 30 and the 50-minute. Okay, so weak seller zone. Okay. Checking my other trades. Should I jump in? Okay, so a long trim. Okay, just so you guys could see how the system works. Okay. Okay, so for 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. So, with that being said, okay, so we are downtrend. Okay, ready? And just like that, we're in the trade. Just like that, we are in the trade. Look at that. Push of a button. We have stop loss, take profit, all in it. So here, let's see where the stop loss looks like. My take profit looks like. So let's go into take profit. Not bad. See? And it's doable. So we'll see how that goes. So for anybody that is interested in the system, the one push button, send me a DM and I will have you. We'll work on something out, and get it to you guys and get you set up and stuff like that. So peace, love, and abundance be with y'all.
Look at that fucking side, dude. No, look at my side. Move it.